Kaya FM 95.9. Good news, good friends. On our 180 Facebook page, we asked the question, which part of your body would you have replicated and sold if given a chance? Apparently, Bushe Samuels, I have no idea who she is, plays Matsiriso on Mubango, was shocked to find out there's a Matsiriso bum pad on sale from Joburg Streets, which, wow, she had no idea. Okay. So which part of your body are you proud that you wouldn't mind molded?
So manje basically, bathengisa like father safane very back manje.
Yeah.
Uthatha umuntu uyashude ume kahle lo muntu. Mofike endlini first plank.
Exactly. Yeah, that's basically
no,
it. Yeah.
Go wrong.
No, the thing is, there are some people who need help there. It looks like an ironing board.
Hey baning.
Yeah.
Abanye abana bahliveti. Abanye ama hips awalingani.
That is nonsense.
No, but bakhona la uyakhona lalela kulo ngicela ukuthi we come from two different worlds. When you come from ubona inkomo nembuzi wazalana no nalomntana nomzimba omncane ngathi inkomo egulayo neza la ijozi. Umntana kini ubani umntana kini ubani umntana kini Uhlobi decided to act as HIV positive when HIV was something very scary. Hey, namanje abantu but awukakashona. I am a ARV strong shame. Futhi wamaqhoza ngathi as another thing. Umntana kini what decided to act ukuthi uyagula. Hey.
No, it's good though because you're teaching people.
Yeah, but hey man, cool 11 years ago.
There are still people.
Namanje uhlobi mangi can I have a hug? Who is she dating?
She's married.
She's married?
Yes.
To a white guy.
Obvious. White people like, it's okay, you are acting. It's fine. Let's do this. Come on, man. Actually, not Joshua was a location. Joshua, so I'm sleeping off. How do you introduce Uhlubi to your friend? Hey, this is my girlfriend. It's Kumbuzo. Wasuka nje umuntu wamletha la. Umazi kahle una 15 years. But to ask the people, I don't know why. I'm going to hey lo mntwana hayi wa act so mama akana HIV noma beka HIV ngiyamthanda mina. Hey mara sikhumbuzo. Akashona lo mntwana la. Ene mara uyambona lokhu uyaphela. Mara hayi umile. Yazi umile. La mntwana didn't make your family proud for what? Sometimes, Bob Mapena's family are proud of Bob Joe. My family is proud of me. Why not? But Monkey, hey, cool, hey, upalile na upale mapepeni. I was saying, hey, cool, hey, was shaza glonti. Let's have you peti crozar. Was shaza glonti. Was vele TV ukwehlela. Bathi bayakuzama. Wamsoka lo mntana, ubani boyfriend ku passings.
Yeah.
Naye sithembile yana. Yavumbuka ipimple sithi hey. Wavumbuka ipimple nyana sithi intwana yini manje. So with that thing. I see that thing. I was acting. Hey, asinandaba. This role I won't take on TV. Sikhomba sicela ube umuntu. Hey. Hayi ngoba ku wrong. Hayi mara no. Uhlobi is a disgrace in your family. When my family gathering. Siyabonga nonke nifikile hlube sazofika njani. Sesikufaka kuma society silokhu siyabhadala uhamba. People will pay society just to find out ufanele. There's one uncle ongashoni ulokhu hleli. Umzayifana akashoni. Umzayifana. Umona umzayifana. Uyaphuza, uyabhema. Unabo chera by 96. Ulokhu dozen malume this month noma kanjani le policy yabhadala. Umtholalele bathi ushonile. Uzwa. Malume uzwa ngicela nivule fridge. Ngilethele ibhiya. Umuntu awungashoni wena. Ayisuka. Tanga zakho zibhizi le Avalon.
Oh lolo.
Lo baba wenze uphula ama record. Athi every time you see me, you don't even think, Nkandla. Umuntu lo hey kakabe kuyaswima manje hey konkandla.
Kandla. Oh lolo.
wathi kabe ke reka roll on la ko makhomelo spice ko kanye
Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. A lot of you, especially the ladies, talking about their legs and the eyelashes. We're asking the question, if there was a part of your body that you'd have replicated and sold off, what would it be?
Ulungile Mulefe says my legs. Brendan Vincang says my legs as well.
Lerato Africa says my legs as well.
Yeah, I've also got great legs, hey? I when I shush. I do, I have awesome legs.
It's cool to say it's just nice
great legs
I do.
Kuli lama planka lo Oscar makabona hey monga ngibole asi ama plate wasesiXhoseni lawa hey oh lo
No, man. Come on, Maxine Zuma. Mubango, la level Mubango.
No, HIV mvango yi-1 proper. Bakhuluma isivenda and bana subtitle. So it's either you're watching or you're reading. Me I read. I don't know one character Zimba. I don't know one character lapha. Don't better go there. Ubani. No shikribe. Chimray do. Okay. No, okay, who? How many characters do you know? That is when proper is when
I know Lerato Khanyago.
Yeah.
I think you mean Lerato Moloi.
Khanyago,
she's on there as well.
Yes.
No,
but that's on TV. I want to see.
I know. In Kosa Kona Buchera by tree. In a tree, I'm a girlfriend.
What's his name? The king.
I don't know. What's Quivir? Look.
What's his name?
Oh, when was the last time when you saw characters as a woman? You're reading, like, okay. Oh, Bazumbulala. Mama Bulala, Doctor Beach. Svenda City, Baba. Svenda. Doctor Beach. And I must come up and my facial expression. Don't go.
Is that her?
Enda.
Wow. Wow.
Probably.
Ne caravan umntwana.
Hey, if I'm in a garage then.
What are we talking about now? Mercedes was rare. Okay.
Open Mamba Mengon's last week. Marayine South Africa. I violate country.
No, crime happens to everyone.
Mara Saloon. I'm landing long enough. Best if not I can spend what Asnanda but just like a fish and chips. But yeah, like a fish. I'm a tree, but I don't have a tree. Come on, I'm going to Zilla. I was going to keep a less kill something. But I can spend. Let's have a dull lie. You can't keep it down. Don't know about that. I mean, take a wallet that I see Funalo. But just like a fish and chips. But to the north, to the side, let's get peace. But hey, peace. I'm from South Africa. I'm going to hey, tada, letala. Hey, like fish and chips. Nalama Falls. No. Okay, I got to KO, but Nama no. But for Nama Falls, open the Nama Falls. But I ring him, shadow. I'm a tricky, you are lati, I'm a phone 2, no gold tooth, I'm a done. Kisha gold ye, and I'm a bit Kisha gold ye. But that's like a fish and chip. Kisha gold. Just pen him. Kisha gold. And he has a total solution is long abasas. Yeah, bring it. But why not? It's in Spali. Obuzi Praia. Please, Mama. Yeah. Hey. Open it. What? Yeah. No, Vatas. Fun Vatila. Vatlan. Bring it. But in it. In Spali. Let's go. Tell you what I do like that. The money. The bling. So bling it. Come on, Ashley. Skatman. Yeah. Don't touch it. Yeah, it's a boom.
I'm sure you've seen the apology from KFC.
Ungibone ngidla inkukhu. Ubone mina ngidla inkukhu. Akandaba ba-apologizile. Inkukhu ingazowashwa kabuhlungu so proper. Ha? Inkukhu ngathi sekhawash. Yelahlele ngudlu phansi. Ungibone ngidla chicken. Ungibulale. No more.
But at least you can go to Nando's.
Inkukhu bayiwasha kanjani bona? Sicela ivideo yabo basezinkingi mhlawumbe bayishuka. Waba inkukhu ishuka ngathi ingubo. Hayi bazowasha inkukhu kabuhlungu ngewaspa bala. Oh, for streetwise. Yes. Swashela in the streets,
I love that
Streetwise.
Bengeke omunye umncwabo. True story. Mina mangitshela istory ngicawuthi mina ikhanda malisebenzi. Bengeke omunye umncwabo. Umncwabo like lo muntu oshonile beka
Correct.
right like una short temper engqondweni like una intamba ithinte paraffin like every class has those ekhaya khona umuntu Labanga abekho right olosihlanu ushomandi olosihlanu washona so khona abangani bakhe bafunda true story bafunda kulesikole sabantu aba but abangani bakhe beze bazocula ingoma bekayithanda esikoleni yazi angangazi or ngizilahle phansi or ngiyothenga ikota ingoma bebeyicula bathi sizofuna umuntu wethu ngathi nayimhlolo yami sizofuna umuntu wethu namhlanje wabona amahlanya ashaya ibhosa hamba kahle pretty boy hamba kahle pretty boy Bagahle pretty boy ngathi nayimhlolo arumfundisa ashaya alahle iBhayibheli phansi wabona abantu baphumela ngaphandle ngathi hawo niyaphuma sizo bamba ibhoxa sizo ufuna umuntu ngathi angeba phole this year labo hamba kahle pretty boy wakiba nelima bashaya ibhox casket iyavula ngathi mvaleni nayo nayo phakathi kwebox ukhipha ilimi la marushonini
No man, it's cool.
and now I'm true story.
And did you see the ask?
Why did Musi decide that? That's almost when he started that thing. He was thinking, let me be an Obama. Well, let me sit in my office and chat to the nation. Bekangekho ready shep. Imibuzo bambuza yona abantu ayina ngqondo. Like abantu abadlala naye ask Musi, okay, uthe mafika endlini imeda kathi, so how was it? Ngithi imeda komlungu. So how was it that black people will always be black? This country ain't going forward. Mandela didn't die for this. Really? Who switches off the load shedding button? Who asked that question? Yeah, you said they must ask Musi. They're asking now. Answer them. Pumo blog issue ku tweet. Musi, where do we buy Brazilian weave? Yazi. Hey, futhi I'm logging out. Walonga out, itie behleli la. Beka phapha uphaphela. Ay. How old is Bob Mapele? Ngazela. How old is Ngazela? Uqala kahle aphendula kahle. Yes, yeah, we're changing the country right. We're going forward as a movement. Babuzu. Angitshele Musi, inkoma zimnandi ngophuthu or ngesinto. Hey. Who are you? Ask Musi, tell us when is Mshoza? Hey, Musi, yazi ngibuza udoti. Futhi angisana ama data bundle. You wanna rule the country, you don't have data bundles. Hey, angisana ama data manje. You wanna ask someone? Ask Julius. Let's ask Julius. What Julius says that? Ask Julius will be the
best.
The country will
trend for months.
Rejoice rejoice abuti Julius berete yeo robala ka yona ori robata hey nkandla that's all I think about ololo kandla ololo Ukona obuze uMusi mayemana athi Musi usithandivela mkhumbulo usithandivela usithandivela washona nangaka ongelapho Musi mkhumbulo usithandivela
Of course
usithandivela wayi crash abantwana bathi ngitataya ngizakutaya crash wabheka usithandivela athi ngizakugwinya straight to hell today going straight nyazingelela nagwinya
Sadly, it has to help.
Usanibel bekane umbilical cord under 4 days. Ahambe strati. Umbilical cord.
Edlela ngaqhaps.
Inkaba ikaba sasa strati. Usanibel, yama usanibel inhloko asen so. Iloaf extend mama nambili una 3 days nambili. Ende bokumqhaza ndifuna umnqusho. Une-girlfriend. Une-girlfriend, not 10 days, une-chill. Mama, umathile sizolala la ekhaya. Awukawisa ikaba. Mama, ngolala ngiwala. Uthanda iveli. Wathenga imoto 2 months we-drive. Safakela mkeni. Uyabunyemola. Una 2 months. Crash ngagwenya abantwana ngagwenya. Uhlubwa kini uyawubona lo stand iveli. Uthanda iveli ngicela ukuthi ngijoina that hey ngizakuthinta. Ngizaku
Straight to hell.
Oh no.